Hello everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, Jai.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Shall we start our class?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in our today's class, we have seen theory of Maven. Today we are going to see lab section. Okay. So I'll tell you what actually these developers and testers they do in companies. Let's take one developer. So he's a developer. This is his laptop. Okay. In his laptop, he is going to install Java because he is going to write Java code. Then he is going to install Git because after writing code, he is going to push to GitHub, and he is going to install Maven because he is going to create Maven directory structure. Okay, the directory structure. So by using Maven, he is going to create one directory structure that folders and all. That's what I have shown you, right? src pom.xml. So that structure inside those files, he is going to write some code. Okay. So to create directory structure, Maven installation is mandatory, right? Okay. Then after writing code, he will commit, and he's going to push to GitHub. This is going to be GitHub. So when he pushes, automatically that entire directory structure will come and sit here as a repository. These were Java, test Java that we took, right? This is that one. You can compare with that one. Then anyways, we have Jenkins here. Jenkins. So what I'll do, I'll create one job. Anyways, in Jenkins, we have installed Git to pull source code from GitHub. We have installed Java. In order to work, this Java Jenkins to work, we need Java, right? That's why we have installed Java. Java is a prerequisite to install Jenkins. Then we install Maven because here we are going to build that code, and we have installed Jenkins. That is already there in my laptop. Okay, in my laptop, this setup is already there. Okay, so here developers, they are installing Maven to create this directory structure. Here we installed Maven in Jenkins to create end product, that war file. Okay, that is a difference. Now we keep one job. We are going to create one job. In that we give poll SCM. Here we give this GitHub URL and Maven goal. Okay, so we enable poll SCM. We give GitHub URL and Maven goal. Got it? That is so. So as and when developers they write code here, they add, they commit, and they push. Okay, as and when they run this command push, automatically this job will be triggered, and that end product will be created. That is war file. That is how it is going to work. Okay. Yeah. So this is what we are going to see. This setup is already there. Jenkins is already there in my laptop as of now. GitHub is already there. Okay. So in place of this, here, this is developer's machine. So I'll take one EC2 instance, developer's machine, this one. So what I'll do, I'll take one EC2, that is Linux. Assume that this developer is using EC2 instance. Okay, in that he installed Java, Git, and Maven. He is creating the directory structure. Okay, this is what we are going to do it. So that today you'll understand where we use Maven. Developers, they use Maven to create directory structure. We use Maven in Jenkins to create end product called warfare. Okay, fine. Guys, you understood what we are trying to do today, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Yeah. So fine, let's do it now. So first, let me launch one EC2 instance. This one, EC2. Go to AWS account. EC2. Launch instance. Amazon Linux. T2 micro. Number of instances 1. All default. I'm giving a name called developer EC2. Okay. Next. Yeah, we have SH and HTTP both are there. That is what actually we want. Review and launch. Launch. Let me create a key pair. This today's date is 21. 21 Maven. I'm giving key pair name as 21 Maven. Then launch instance. View instances. Okay. Just 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Guys, can you see my screen? Let me unmute you. Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
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 What you can?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What you are
Pending.
seeing right now?
Pending state.
AWS screen.
AWS screen you are seeing, right?
Yes.
AWS screen.
Okay, okay. Okay, this instance is ready. Let's go inside this instance. Maven. Okay. Now, sudo so minus 8 minus 5. Okay. Now, first we are going to see these are the things we are going to install. We are going to install Git. We are going to install Java, Maven, all three. So first, let's install Git. Let me install Git -5. then it is ready. Which Git, right? It is ready. Then let's install, Java. For that, install Java. This also already we have seen, right? In Jenkins class, already have shown you how to install Java in Linux. Install Java -1.8 star. Is a stable version -5. Okay. Okay. Then we need to set Java path, right? That you know already. That also we have seen. Find USR. Find USR lib JVM. Okay. Inside JVM, we have Java -1.8 star. We need this executable. From that, I need to see top 3 lines. Okay. So here, this is the one by using which we are going to set Java's home path. So how to do that? Vi bash underscore. Well, actually, that's a hidden directory, right? Okay. Now bash underscore profile. Inside Java underscore home equal to right click. Got it? And here colon dollar Java underscore home. Okay. So that's how we set path. This already we have seen in Jenkins class. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Just come out. Now exit, log out and log in. Also minus. Now, if you want to verify Java version, Java space -version. That's 1.8. And check that where if the path we set properly or echo dollar Java underscore home. That is how we can verify the path that we set properly or not. You should be able to see Java installed location. That's it. Java is ready. Then what is the next step? Git is ready, Java is ready. Then we have to install Maven in Linux. Okay, so let's install Maven. Go to Maven here, maven.apache.org. Okay, that's a Maven location, the official website. Okay, so here you can see if you go to downloads here, if you scroll down, yeah, here. In Windows, how did we install Maven? For that, we took which one? Zip file, binary zip link, correct? Binary, this and this. That means we took this one in order to install Maven in Windows. But to install in Linux, we need tar.zip file. You can see this is one, tar.cz. What do you do? Just copy that link, copy, And here we are going to install. You can install anywhere. Generally, Maven people, they keep under OPT/OPT, but that's okay. Wherever you want, that's up to you. Okay, OPT. Okay. Here, do you have anything? Yeah, some files are there. That's okay. Now let's download Maven. wget and paste that link. Now enter. That's it. Do ls. We have downloaded the star.zip file. Now let's extract. In one go, we can remove tar and zip both in one go. That is *-xvzf. Actually, xvf we give. If you use z also, that means zip also will be removed in one go. And this Apache Maven. This one, okay. That's it. We are extracting. Now, if you do ls, we can see we have extracted. Now let's rename. Just, I would like to rename this entire folder. This I would like to rename as simple Maven. Easy, right? Easy to remember. Maven, right? Now do ls. Yeah, this is a Maven folder. We have extracted it. Now, if you go inside Maven, if you do ls, you can see all, CD Maven. You can see all configuration files and all that you can see. Conf, bin directory, boot, everything. Okay. Now, what we need to do, we need to set Maven's path. Type pwd Maven. Same like the way we mentioned, we have set up Java path. In the same way, we have to set up Maven's path as well. So this is a Maven's install location, right? Okay, let's use this one. vi dot, because that bash underscore profile is in my current directory, not in my current directory. That is in my root user's home directory. That's why I have been, see, tilde. Tilde represents home directory, root user's home directory, tilde symbol. Okay, in that root user's home directory, the hidden file is dot bash underscore profile. Okay, that is so. Without going to home directory, just I'm opening that file being present here itself. Now inside, see, already we have set up Java path. You can see just a couple of minutes back. In the same manner, we have to set up Maven's path as well. Let's do it. So first we have to do m2. Okay, m2 underscore home. That is how we have to set up Maven's path. Okay, m2 underscore home. So where we have installed Maven /opt/Maven. This is a path, right? /opt/Maven. And one more thing we have to do, that is m2. For Maven, you have to do this one extra. m2 equal to bin directory's path. Inside Maven directory, there's a bin directory. That you have to mention here. Bin. Okay, m2 equal to this one. This is how we have to mention. Okay. Then here, colon, dollar, this m2 and m2 home. We have to mention these two. m2 colon dollar m2 underscore home. That's it. That is how we have to set up Maven's home path. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Now come out. Okay, exit. See, if you do ls, you can see bin directory, right? Okay, that's it. Now exit. Now again sudo minus. Now verify whether you installed Maven properly or not. You to verify Maven version, ambient space -version. So you can see 3.8 point something. Okay, and verify whether that path that you set properly or not. Dollar. If you give m2, it should show bin directory path. If you give m2 underscore home, it should show Maven's path, right? Okay. Now the setup is ready.